You know, there'll be some day when you don't have me as president.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, time for Sums International. Okay, so Trump already has this realization, but prediction of Chinese professor is making rounds on internet. Sometimes referred to as China's Nostradamus, Jiang predicted that Trump would reclaim power in the United States and the strains between Washington and Tehran could escalate into conflict. And both things happened. Guess what? The professor predicted that the US would lose the conflict with Iran. He emphasized that Iran had many more advantages than the United States. Time for Trump to come out of his delulu? Anyway, भाई और बहनों पूरी दुनिया में टेंशन है. ईरान, इजराइल, यूएसए सब मिसाइल्स एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं लाइक दे आर दिवाली गिफ्ट्स. पर इस पूरे हंगामे में देयर इज वन पर्सन हु इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम द वर्स्ट केस ऑफ फोमो इन ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री. लुक एट हिम, कितनी डेडिकेशन से ही इज प्रैक्टिसिंग, एंड हिज डॉटर एंड माय फेवरेट किम जो ए. वाओ, व्हाट अ एम. War everywhere, not even a single invitation. भाई की शक्ल देखो. He looks like that one kid in the neighborhood who has the most expensive cricket bat, the best leather ball and the brightest helmet. पर उसे कोई खेलने के लिए नहीं बुला रहा. Well, ये सब वॉर के बीच में सेफ्टी, ऑयल वगैरह वगैरह सब डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. But Israel, they are genius. They are also fixing the most important thing, which no one is talking about amid the war. Dating in the war zone. This is the peak of human optimism. Most people in a war zone are thinking about canned beans and batteries, but Israel में लोग bunker dating कर रहे हैं. Think about the technical specifications of this app for a second. This app called Hooked was originally built for speed dating at parties, but now It's for high speed dating before the ceiling falls in. यहाँ टिंडर पर लोग लिखते हैं I love hiking and sunset views वगैरह वगैरह. वहाँ हुक पर बायो होगा I have a 3-story deep bunker and 20 kgs of hummus. Swipe right if you are also tired of the alert siren sound. Imagine the situation. Missiles are dodging overhead, Iron Dome is working overtime and आप bunker में QR code scan कर रहे हो to see who's single. Hey, I see you are also into avoiding ballistic missiles and long walks into the shelter. It's a match! Relationship goals. नहीं भाई, relationship survival कहते हैं इसको. हमारे यहाँ लोग बारिश में डेट पे जाते हैं, वहाँ लोग बंकर में मीट क्यूट कर रहे हैं ऑन अ शेयर्ड मैट्रेस. इमेजिन एक दिन उन्हें अपने बच्चों को बताना पड़ेगा कि हम एक बंकर में मिले थे, वो काली गुफा, मिसाइल आ रही थी और बहुत ही रोमांटिक.
ओ दीदी, बैक टू स्टोरी प्लीज.
इजराइल का डिजिटाइजेशन अलग ही चल रहा है. 25% इंटरनेट यूसेज हाइक ऑलरेडी है. एंड देन माय पर्सनल फेवरेट, a problem we all have but never thought would be a data point, the best shower time app. Yes, एक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर ने ऐप बनाया है जो आपको परसेंटेज रिस्क स्कोर करके देता है कि भाई बाल्टी उठाऊं या ना. Will I'll be interrupted mid shampoo? Sir, current risk is 13%. You have exactly 12 minutes for a hot shower and 3 minutes to dry your hair. मतलब शैम्पू लगाते वक्त बंदा स्टैट्स चेक कर रहा होगा, फ्रीक्वेंसी ट्रेंडिंग डाउन है या कंडीशनर लगाने का टाइम मिल जाएगा. ओ ओके, लेट्स चेक. हमारी तो मम्मी काफ़ी है, टंकी खाली करेगी क्या, बाहर निकल, हो गया. पैनिक तो है, पर पैनिक के लिए भी प्रीमियम सब्सक्रिप्शन चाहिए. Alright guys, we need to talk about the greatest train heist of our generation. भूल जाओ मनी हाइस्ट का प्रोफेसर और उसकी टीम को, क्योंकि ये वाली स्क्रिप्ट क्रिस्टोफर नॉलन भी नहीं लिख सकते. A freight train leaves LA and heads to Dallas. रास्ते में container seals get broken and a highly organized gang runs away with $250K worth of stolen goods. अब तुम सोच रहे होगे कि गोल्ड, डायमंड्स, नए आईफोन्स, ओह डैम. सो हियर इज द न्यूज़. They stole a massive shipment of male personal massagers. The company Odoki filed a formal cargo loss complaint confirming that exactly 330 units of the Handy Massage 2 Reg and 289 units of the Handy Massage 2 Pro were lost in transit. $250,000 worth of self-care appliances. Can you imagine the Ocean's 11 level meeting before this heist? The mastermind is sitting there with a blueprint saying, guys, we are getting the crew back together for one last job. It's gonna be huge. और जब उन्होंने डलास में सेफ्टी कंटेनर खोला होगा, imagine the sheer disappointment of the local gundas. Or maybe the real lottery? And the company Odoki says these devices are engineered with next-gen technology. Next gen? भाई ऐसी कौन सी कोडिंग लग रही है इसमें? AI इंटीग्रेट कर दिया है क्या? Alexa, write me an apology text while I use the handy. Like, why do you need a firmware update for self-love? पहले मैनुअल ट्रांसमिशन से काम चल जाता था, अब वाईफाई चाहिए तुम्हें? सर्वर डाउन हो गया तो क्या एरर 404 आएगा? Sorry, your private time is currently buffering. But honestly, I just feel bad for the guys waiting for their Amazon delivery in Dallas, tracking status and... Alright, enough of drama. Time for some real chaos from the world. The US has loosened sanctions on other countries buying Russian oil and petroleum already loaded on vessels at sea to curb the economic impact of the US-Israel war with Iran, reported BBC. US military refueling aircraft crashed in western Iraq. The tanker had been involved in ongoing US operations against Iran and was one of two crafts involved in the incident, the military command unit said. Israel targeting Iranian weapons facilities after US plane crash in Iraq. IDF says it has carried out strikes in Tehran and other areas, including on a command center of the IRGC. Alright guys, that was my time. How did you like the show? Comment down, and if you like the video, hit the bell icon. Keep watching Zee International and subscribe to Zingabad.